what's up YouTube? How y'all doing? Tesla versus police car drag racing. So yeah, I got the Tesla. Cause just like twerk, you know drag racing, twerk. But I don't know, I think actually I don't, nah, I think a Tesla wins, okay? Actually, I don't fucking know. Nah, for sure the Tesla. I for sure got the Tesla. Ain't no fucking way. The Tesla would be somebody's best option, right? Yo, why he turning on the lights? Hey, yo, relax. Yo, wait, what? Trying to give the other driver PTSD or something. What the fuck? Fuck him up. Yeah, like it wasn't even close. Like I already do, but I don't know. I guess optimism, skepticism. I don't even know. That's too big of a word for me. But yeah, like of course it says it's the twerk of it. It's just fucking ridiculous. Oh, and they show other shit too. Oh, that's code. A Camaro. I kind of hope the Camaro would win. I like Camaros. Just as a little kid, it was because of Bumblebee. It's because of Bumblebee. I ain't even going front. But still, you know. Wait, what? Okay, why do you? Is there a shorty in the police officer in the sheriff's passenger? Yo, why did we turn on the light? Yo, does turning on the lights like fucking what's it called? Oh, that shit was nasty. Oh, that was hard. No, that was cold. I thought it'd be like, you know, closer, but nah, that motherfucker just bounced. That motherfucker took off. I thought it'd be way closer. No, but that's the issue. Like, why not like a challenge or a charger, you know? Because that's what ops also be using. It's got less weight. Why did they use a charger? What the fuck? And that motherfucker just took. He's gone. I don't know. I enjoy this. I'm not big on racing or cars or not, but like, I mean, just a little dapper, you know? Wait, is that what it's called? No, like a little shit. I don't even know. But you know, like here and there is cool. I fuck with it.